Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the fix will stick. Open Settings and check your Android version and One UI, because menu names differ by version. Once done, grant gallery storage permission and verify the image you want is downloaded to internal storage, not cloud only. Make sure your battery is above 20% or plugged in to avoid interruptions. Now head to the Wallpaper section. This is where you begin applying the lock screen image correctly to prevent future resets. You'll now apply the image step by step. Open Wallpaper and Style, or long press the home screen and tap Wallpapers to reach the same tool. Choose your image from gallery, then pick lock screen only. This prevents home screen overrides. Adjust crop, select fit or full bleed, and toggle brightness or blur if available. Use set as lock screen to commit. If dynamic lock screen is active, disable it first because it can automatically rotate images, and undo your manual choice. You finish by rebooting the phone so the OS writes the new lock screen entry into its cache and confirms persistence. If the wallpaper still reverts, go to Settings Apps Wallpaper or System UI, then clear cache and restart. This fixes corrupt temporary data. Make sure to update system software next, because bugs in older builds can cause resets. If none of that works, reset settings, not a factory reset, to restore default system preferences while keeping your files.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.